guys, it's me, Meagan Hesham, and today I'm talking about cooking. Healthy cooking in particular, but really any cooking, inspiration for cooking, being a bad cook, not liking your own cooking. I'm going to talk about all that because that's me. I cook a lot. I cook a lot for my family. I cook a lot for everyone. I cook every single day, so it's not like I don't cook. It's just that I don't like my cooking usually, and I don't like to cook. Now, what do those things have in common? I don't like my cooking, I don't like to cook. I think maybe I don't enjoy cooking because it's not like worthwhile to me and I feel like I don't like my cooking. So if I liked my cooking and it was delicious and amazing and so enriching and cool, that I would maybe enjoy the process more. Like, I think I might not hate cooking so much, I just hate my cooking. And so then I'm like, this sucks, what's the point? So this is the conclusion I've come to recently. I don't know how this happened. I'm the daughter of a chef. He was awesome, my dad, an amazing chef. He taught me a lot even, like we cooked together and stuff. But I don't know, it didn't really rub off on me enough. I guess you know what? What rubbed off on me was making like fettuccine Alfredo and like Seafood Galaxy, which is a super creamy, buttery, creamy seafood dish. Yum. I feel like making that right now. So those things I don't mind making, I guess. I guess those are the things I am really good at. Creamy, pasta-y, buttery, saucy dishes. Those are my specialty, but I don't get to make those ever because me and my family try and live a little healthier than that. We don't go around eating fettuccine Alfredo all day. Unfortunately, right? So like a lot of you, we try and be healthy. We try and eat, vegetables, lean proteins, stuff like that. We're not heavy on the carbs, definitely. And we like to be heavy on the greens and the chicken and the fish and all those things, right? So I've got 2 children and a husband. My husband's fairly picky in his eating and he's very healthy in his eating, which is awesome, but serves a challenge because I have these kids who of course like kid stuff like chicken nuggets and pizza pops. Me, I don't like cooked food so much. I kind of like yogurt, cottage cheese, grabbing a rice cake with peanut butter here or there. So I am on a quest to become an amazing, healthy cook. All right? I want to do it good because I feel like whenever I cook something, it's not that good. So then I'm like, what was the point of all that work? Cutting and cooking and whatever, baking. I do the slow cooker a lot. And then I'm like, So this week, I have the challenge of trying to make a bunch. I'm trying to cook every single day, cook a hot new dish every day, because I think that's another thing. People get very tired of what I feed them here. So I'll feed them like a chicken stew every day. And then people are like, I'm so sick and tired of that. Like, it was good the first day, but now it sucks. And I understand that. I mean, me, I eat kind of the same thing every day. So I'm used to monotony. Like, I tend to just have the same things for lunch and dinner every single day. When I'm eating healthy, that is. When I'm not eating healthy, I'm eating like Big Macs and stuff. Anyways, but when I eat healthy, I tend to eat the same thing for every meal. So I'm very used to that. So then I tend to just put that onto my family and it doesn't go so well for them. So I have the goal this week of trying to cook something different, hot meal every day. It's going to be healthy. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to even eat it. Well, that's my goal. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to try some new recipes. I'm going to do some kind of tried and true things that I make anyways. I mean, they're not all going to be new recipes because that would just be too much stress. Being a busy mom and YouTuber, I'm pretty stressed out enough. So I will make a few of my normal dishes, like some stews, stir fries, that type of thing. And then I'm going to try a few new recipes. And I will let you all know how it goes. I'm gonna document my journey, and let's see if I like cooking a little more by the end of it all. Okay, so Greek lemon chicken and potatoes. Here I go.
Hard to the body like karate. 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 I got that flow that's so hard when I break my wrist breaks. You're gonna feel it like a jab right to the rib cage. Hey, I don't got time to show you how. You already know that I get down. If you wanna see, then bring a crowd. I chop ish up like my first name, Yao Ming. I bring heat to the winter, freeze 'em up in spring.
All right, oven time.
Forget my shoulder now, I'ma go dust the map off. The world's mine, black belt certified. Right hook, left jab, every verse I rhyme. I'm the next up, that's elementary. Who's the rookie of the year? Tell him sensei. Hard to the body like karate. 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 Haters all around wanna test my aim. I don't know why trying to put me in chains. I am a ninja, thoroughly trained. Take 2 steps back, then I hit him in the brain. Please, you don't go hard to the body like me. I'm like wasabi, make it hard for you to breathe. Your legs like low main, wobbly at the knees. You could get nunchuck coming at me. Hold up, whoa. Enter my dojo. Bruce Lee, boy, hand skills show enough, so I gotta give it to you in slow mo. Chuck Norris, Bruce Lee, kick it like Van Damme, who could it be? I'm the next up, that's what they sent me. Who's the rookie of the year? Tell him sensei. Hard to the body like karate. 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 Hard to the body like karate.
Come to the end of this experiment here, guys. I think it went pretty well. I still don't absolutely love cooking, but I did feel better about it. So I think doing many weeks of this will lead to my loving cooking, I hope. So yeah, yesterday, this doesn't look so nice now, but yesterday I made this. This is a tried and true thing I tend to make. I don't know if my family likes it that much, but I know I do, so that's exciting. It's lean ground turkey or chicken or beef, whatever. And it's made really healthy. There's some cheese in there, but it's mostly just tomato sauce, lean ground turkey or chicken or beef, and some vegetables. This one I didn't make too heavy on the vegetables because it was mainly for my son. So I just add my own greens to that. He has it like this. You could also disguise some vegetables in there. Blend up some cauliflower or broccoli or whatever, puree it or whatever, and shove it in there, and no one would know probably. So that's an idea there. So that's what I made yesterday. I made the carrot ginger soup. I made the Greek lemon chicken and potatoes. I made the chicken, what are they, thighs? I don't usually make those. I usually only make breasts. So I made, oh, that was the Greek lemon chicken potato dish that used the chicken thighs, I think they were. Chicken thighs? I think so. I made my chicken stew in the slow cooker. Of course, I made a ton of salads for me and my husband for lunch. We usually have a salad for lunch. Oh, I made some shrimp. I don't know if I documented that, but I did make shrimp. It was kind of like a teriyaki shrimp and garlic and stuff with some vegetables. So I made that. I think that's about it. Shrimp, chicken, beef. So I think I made about 4 or 5 main dishes. So that was what I wanted to do. I'm looking forward to experimenting even more and doing like new recipes, like trying new recipes. And you know what I found out? It really helps to follow the recipe. I know it sounds obvious, but I cooked with my friend one day and she told me, we both made the same dish at one point, and I was like, mine didn't taste anything like that. Yours is so much better. How did that work? And she said, well, did you follow the recipe? Because she knows me well. Did you follow the recipe? And I said, sort of. And she was like, hey, if you follow the recipe, it actually turns out the way it should. Now, that sounds so obvious, right? It's super obvious. But to me, I like look at the recipe and I'm like, well, I don't have that and I don't have that, so I'll use this and that, and I won't really cut it like that, and maybe I'll put this instead of that. Like, that's how I make a recipe. So I have learned that if you actually follow the recipe properly, and like I get too creative or something, I get too like, whatever, buy the right ingredients for the recipe and actually follow the recipe properly, it actually turns out differently. So I have learned that. That is good stuff there. I don't know if that helps anyone else or if you all follow recipes properly, but like, it sounds so stupid, but really I never even thought about it. I just like mix it all up and be like, it doesn't taste so good. And then when you actually follow the recipe, it turns out differently and it often tastes better. Unless you're amazing and you can just do that. I don't know. I'm not. So I think practicing cooking, it's just like anything else. Just keep practicing cooking healthy meals and you will get better at it, right? You're going to get better at it. I'm telling myself that. I'm speaking to myself here. You will get better at it, Megan. And you too, if you need this. I don't know. If you're awesome at cooking healthy meals, please let me know what your tips are. I'd love to know. I have been cooking healthy meals for a good, 20 years. And I don't know, not very good at it. I guess I just haven't tried that hard. I'm going to try. It's a new thing for me. I'm going to try hard. Try hard. And they're going to turn out awesome. And I'm going to love them, and my family's going to love them. I'm just going to keep telling myself that. Positive reinforcement. And I'm going to keep going, and I'll keep you posted on my journey. I'll let you know any new recipes I try that I like, and we can help each other out here, right? All right. Love to hear from you. Any tips you have for becoming an awesome cook or loving cooking, because I do want to love cooking. My friends were giving me advice, like maybe do bakes, like things you just put in the oven and it's a bunch of stuff and it's done, like vegetables, protein, maybe some potatoes in there. Put them all in. I just need to know what the seasoning is. Maybe I need to look up some of those. I mean, I kind of did that with the Greek chicken meal there. That was kind of that. Also, slow cookers. Everyone's always saying slow cooker is the way to go if you're don't know what to do and you don't have that much time. Slow cooker. I do some slow cooker stuff. I don't know. They don't appeal to me that much. Although I did make some pulled beef once, which was pretty good. It was like grated looking beef. That was good. Maybe I'll try that again. That was a recipe I tried to follow properly. So slow cookers, like bakes, things you just pop in the oven, like maybe whole chicken roasts, like I need to do that type of thing. I usually make like stir fries. Those are okay. I mean, I guess I'm naming everything now. I don't know what I haven't named. I guess everything's good. Just try it all. I'm going to try it all with you. Let's do this. Let's learn to love cooking healthy. Yay. If you enjoyed this interesting video, make sure you share, like, and subscribe for more. I'm Meagan Hesham, and we'll talk soon, guys.
Hard for the body like karate.